ever pondered on the miraculous question of where does the energy come from that fuels your daily activities? From the simple act of blinking your eyes to running a marathon, every movement requires energy. But where does this energy originate from? The answer lies within the food we consume. To understand the process, we must delve a little into the world of biology. When food enters the body, it embarks on a fascinating journey. It begins in the mouth, where enzymes start breaking down the food into smaller, more manageable pieces. As it travels down the esophagus and into the stomach, the food is further broken down by stomach acids. From here, the journey continues into the small intestine. This is where the magic happens. The small intestine is lined with millions of tiny, finger-like projections called villi. These villi absorb the nutrients from the food and pass them into the bloodstream. The nutrients, now in the bloodstream, are transported to the liver. Here, the liver acts as a sort of sorting center, deciding where each nutrient should go. Proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, the key components of our food, are processed differently. The liver breaks down carbohydrates into a simple sugar called glucose. This glucose is the body's primary source of energy. The body also stores some glucose in the liver and muscles as glycogen, which it can use in times of need. Proteins are converted into amino acids, which are used to build and repair tissues. Fats are stored as triglycerides in fat cells and can be used for energy when glucose levels are low. Now, the real powerhouse comes into play: the mitochondria. These are tiny structures within our cells that convert these nutrients into adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, the chemical form of energy that our bodies can use. In short, the food we eat is broken down into nutrients. These nutrients are then absorbed into our bloodstream, transported to our cells, and converted into energy. This is the process that keeps us alive and functioning. So, to summarize, the energy we need to survive comes from the food we consume. Our body has a complex system in place that breaks down this food into usable nutrients, which are then converted into energy in our cells. From the simple act of breathing to the most strenuous physical activity, every movement we make is powered by this energy. We must fuel our bodies with a balanced diet rich in proteins, fats, and carbohydrates to ensure we have enough energy to function. It's essential to remember that while all food provides energy, not all food is created equal. The quality of the nutrients we consume directly impacts the quality of energy we produce. So next time you're about to take a bite of that delicious meal, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it's about to embark on and the vital role it plays in providing you with the energy you need to thrive.